Hi babe, it's me Love from Munchkin Time, and today I have for you baked sweet potato with tzatziki sauce. This recipe is amazing. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. You can find recipe in my description down below. Now let's begin. For this recipe, you're gonna need one jumbo size sweet potato. Now peel it and chop it into wedges. After you're done cutting potato, add it to the mixing bowl. Into the same mixing bowl, add half a teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, sea salt, and pepper to taste. Into the same bowl, add 1½ tablespoon of olive oil and mix it with your hands until everything is coated, every single potato. Place potato on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake at 425 degrees for about 25 minutes, flipping on the other side only once. Now let's make tzatziki sauce. For this recipe, you're gonna need 1 clove of garlic. Finely chop 1 clove of garlic using a big knife. You're also gonna need a small piece of cucumber. Slice it in half and remove the seeds using a spoon. Chop cucumber into very tiny pieces and set aside. Next, we're gonna chop our parsley. Finely chop parsley, and it's ready to be added into the tzatziki sauce. Into the mixing bowl, add half a cup of almond yogurt. Into the same bowl, add cucumber, garlic, parsley, salt and pepper to taste, half a tablespoon of olive oil, half a tablespoon of lemon juice or to taste. Give it a really good mix, and tzatziki sauce is ready to be served. After sweet potatoes are done baking, serve them with tzatziki sauce and garnish it with chopped parsley. If you enjoyed this recipe, come check out my other recipes like chicken fried steak and hot beef sandwiches. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!